10-line speech on World Food Day 2025. There are people so hungry that God can only appear to them as bread. World Food Day is celebrated every year on 16th October. It marks the founding of the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO in 1945, and this year marks the FAO's 80th anniversary. The day spreads awareness about hunger, nutrition, and food security. The theme for 2025 is Hand in Hand for Better Foods and Better Future. It reminds us to work together for a world without hunger. Millions still go to bed hungry while a lot of food is wasted daily. We must learn to respect food and the farmers who grow it. Let's promise to never waste food and share it with those in need. Together, let's go hand in hand for a healthy, happy, and hunger free world. Friends, food is not just about filling our stomachs, it's about nourishing our lives. So, this World Food Day, let us promise to never waste food, respect the hard work of our farmers, and share what we have with others. Thank you. Happy World Food Day.